I'm going to be doing climate change in the Republic of the Congo, and my name is Josh Manley. So first we have to talk about the Republic of the Congo in general. The Democratic Republic of the Congo lies on the equator. Therefore, the climate is hot and humid in the river basin and cool and dry in the southern highlands, with a cold alpine climate in the Rwenzori Mountains. Culture of the Republic of the Congo is rich, diverse, and made up of a mix of about 4.5 million people, measured in 2015, and just as many languages and customs are found as well. Half of the Congolese people follow traditional beliefs, and there are 15 principal Bantu groups and more than 70 subgroups. Now we're going to talk about the evidence of climate change in the Republic of the Congo. This country is extremely poor, so the country is not spending the needed money to monitor their highly diverse and important region. In Matadi, there has been major deforestation and waste disposal by the locals of the area, which makes it harder for any life to exist. Another example is in the Kimbaski, there has been water erosion, flooding, and waste disposal, which is not only affecting the life in this area, but the geographic shape of this area, making it more common for undesirable conditions. Another example is in the Mabuji and Mai, there has been mass erosion and crop failure and deforestation, which causes a once thriving with life city to become completely barren. Now I'm going to talk about current and future impacts of climate change. Climate change in this country is expected to increase current vulnerabilities within the Democratic Republic of the Congo. While there will be significant biophysical impacts, particularly in the northeast with increasing temperatures and changing rainfall patterns. This is due to its widespread poverty, high population density, and the country's conflict situation. The Democratic Republic of the Congo's high vulnerability is primarily related to socio-economic factors. Food security will be affected due to crop losses and failures, increased livestock mortality, negative impacts on fisheries, and damage to infrastructure. The rainforests of the Africa's Congo Basin are the world's second largest and are increasingly one of the most threatened. Agriculture, mining, logging, and climate change are also chipping away and thinning out the forest's edge and interior. The Congo Basin's forest's biggest threat, however, is unseen: the lack of good information. With poor infrastructure, government capacity changes, and the hard-to-detect patterns of change, the forests of the Congo Basin are among the most difficult in the world to monitor and manage. Now we'll talk about migration and adaptation. People in the coastal region of the vast African country are being encouraged to combat the effects of climate change by changing the way they live and work. A young man who used to cut down mangrove trees to turn into charcoal is now making a living by manufacturing and selling energy-efficient stoves. Another example is, or another way they're doing this is eradication of protective mangrove forests can lead to flooding and increased coastal erosion. Another way is small market gardens have been established to provide employment to women, improve the supply and quality of food locally, and increase environmental sustainability. Final way is a Democratic Republic of the Congo is the 53rd country to join the Climate and Clean Air Coalition. The coalition now has 115 partners. And here are my sources.